Can't add a social account in Roblox on your iPhone? By doing this, you can link your accounts to stay connected with friends. In this video, I'll show you how to add a social account in Roblox on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account Info. Scroll down again. Find the Social Network section. Under the Social Network section, you will see the boxes of social media, like Facebook, X, YouTube, etc. Now, paste your social media profile URL here, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in to your social account, and then authorize the connection. And there you have it. This is how you can add a social account in Roblox on your iPhone. If this video helps you out, then make sure to give it a like, and if you have any kind of questions, ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.